Nature is like our mother. It holds us and keeps us safe, healthy. In this nature, trees, plants, flowing rivers, beautiful valleys, wonderful mountains, beautiful singing birds, the blue sky, the rain, the moonlight, and all these are blessings of nature and human beings. In this beautiful nature, one day in the middle of the forest.
Oh, it's rainy season. I can't get fresh sugar canes. So I am very hungry last 2 days. Oh, there is one of my friend came coming. Monkey. Hi, monkey mama.
Oh, my friend elephant. How are you?
Yeah, but human being always using us for their life, and also now they are hunting us for their enjoyment and economical purpose. What about you?
I am also same. There is no food in the forest. Yesterday also not eating my friend food.
Then we have to go for the. Shall we go together to take some suggestions of King of Forest?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, one of my friend cow is coming.
Oh, my dear friends, where are you going?
We are going to ruler of the forest to take some suggestions.
I'm feeling stomach obstructions, maybe due to the garbage which I ate roadside. May I join with you? Maybe a solution I get there.
Oh, why not?
Let's
Then
go
let's
together.
go together.
Oh, big bro. I'm observing all of you, but you are not calling me. Please look at me also and consider me.
Okay.
You all are thinking that I don't have any problems, but I too face problems. Actually, my pond is full of garbage and wastage. I can't swim in this water. I can't stay. The stench coming from this water is unbearable. Big bro, you all know my specialty. And I am an amphibian. I can live both in water and on earth.
Yes.
When I go to live on earth, there also so much pollution, as you said no just now, which I can't tolerate. How can I escape and survive from these circumstances? Who will save me from this uncleanliness? I want to get rid from all these problems. I too want to come with you. Please, friends, allow me to with you to the king.
Yes, why not? Let's come.
Okay, thank you, friends.
I'm feeling so sad. I want to meet my friend to share my feelings. It is not raining. How can I dance? Hello, how are you feeling?
Hi, Pika. Hi, Pika. I'm not feeling good because of radiation problem. Who could solve this problem?
I am also feeling very sad. Who can solve our problems?
because our forest king line is solve this problem. You can go with line. Okay.
Oh no, we have another friend now. Hi, how are you? How are you feeling? Hi friends. Are you feeling good? No friends, I am suffering so many problems. I have no food and shelter. All the money, but the peace. That's why I am suffering from hungry. My voice is very sweet, even though they have no courtesy towards me. Okay. We will go to our king of the jungle. We can solve our problems. Yes, I join with you. Okay, let's go.
Simba, this is our whole empire. We are the rulers of this forest. We should protect all the animals in this forest. After me, you are the king of this forest. You should rule this empire. Simba, look there. Some of our subjects are coming to near us. Welcome, my dear subjects. How are you? What is your problems? Please tell me, elephant.
Oh, dear ruler of forest, I am the largest land animal on the planet. But today onwards, I am also facing a lot of problems with humans. Nature kills about 20,000 elephants every single year for our tusks, which are then traded illegally in the international market. Please save our next generations. One of my best friend in Kerala, she was pregnant. She was in immense pains for 2-3 weeks after she ate a pineapple which was stuffed with firecrackers by some locals. Please give the women lessons for destroying this environment and hunting to us. Please save us.
Oh, dear elephant, it is very sad to hear all your problems. And now your relative species are very less. There were a large number before, but gradually the species are getting to the end. And very sad to hear that Kerala incident. We will teach a lesson to the human. Next, what happened to you, monkey? Tell me your problems.
I am facing problem with human. I am is animal, live in forest. I like fruits, but human are destroying the forest. I cannot find fruits. I am a social animal, but humans are putting me in a circus and torturing me. I love living on trees and jumping on trees, but people are cutting down trees for his needs. We are coming to the village due to deforestation, but people are throwing stones at us with stick. Therefore, we don't have food. In search food, we make accident on road because of vehicle. Save my life, King. Please save my life.
Yes, monkey dear, I am also noticed your problems. Definitely we will solve your problems soon. Next, what happened to you, peacock? Tell me your problems.
Oh, king of the jungle, please solve my problems. You know that I am national bird of India and also most beautiful bird in the world. But human beings are killing me for my feathers. They are polluting our nature and penetrating into the forest. Human beings are destroying the forest that are our habitat so that it is not raining. How can I dance? What should I eat and drink? In few years, the peacock species will be extinct. What can I do? The king of the jungle, please save me.
Yes, dear, you are the beautiful animal in this world. By the foolishness of humans, it is happening. Okay, we will solve your problem. Next, tell me, tortoise, what your problem? Tortoise.
Oh, my king, my majesty. These people are using plastic water bottles and plastic things and they are throwing in water and on earth after they used. It is not disposing in water. Who will clean my pond? How can I live in the pond? How can I live on the earth with this uncleanliness? Please save me from this uncleanliness.
Yes, dear turtle, you are a very small animal in this pond. But human beings are not only polluting ponds, they are polluting rivers, seas and oceans also. Then, what your problem, Sparrow? Tell me.
Oh, my majesty, I am here. I convey my trouble with the human beings regarding the radiation in the atmosphere. So, my majesty, generally, when compared to weight of the human race,
Yes, dear, by the radiation only you, all the birds are disappearing. Then, what's your problem, cow? Tell me. Why you came here?
Oh, my majesty, I came here to raise my problem with humans. Nowadays, every part of mine has a commercial value, from the tongue to leather and bones. Hindus worship me like mother and goddess because of my ability to give milk, which give energy and suitable for human consumption. My tongue used as a manure in organic farming, and my urine also used in Ayurveda because of it has medicinal properties. We benefit the humans and environment in many ways, but they fail to recognize us. Humans inject oxytocin to us, which causes a labor-like pain to increase the milk flow. Sometimes when we feed on the roadside garbage cause stomach obstructions due to plastic bags, which leads to death of my cow friends. Who is responsible for this? Definitely humans. When we get older, we transport it to slaughterhouses for our skin and also bones. So please, Majesty, give some solutions for my problem.
Yes, dear, there are a lot of uses by you to human, but some of them are praying you and some of them are eating you. By the humans you are disappearing. Now, why you are came here, parrot? Tell me your problem.
Oh, my majesty, a very beautiful bird in the world. In olden days, all humans are comparing their children and their words with me. But now children are seeing only on multimedia. But they can't realize, they can't see real life. I'm suffering from hunger. I eat only fruits, but there is no fruit trees at all. I am searching food every time. I have no shelter too, and suffering from vibrations of cell towers, radiation. Please save me, please save me. Oh no.
Yes, yes, dear. Because of humans' foolish beliefs, you are disappearing from the earth. Okay, my dear, all subjects. I hear all your difficulties, what you are facing from the human. As a king of this forest, I will be with you always. It's my job to protect your lives. It is my responsibility to look into the matter. Everybody in the forest were facing same problem. But in this particular issue, even though I am a king, I am also helpless. And even my brothers, sisters, ancestors, and forefathers were lost their lives. We remained few members only. I am also helpless regarding to this particular issue. So I thought there is only option to live in this earth is we should pray for the goddess. We only this option to go to the goddess. Let us pray goddess with closed eyes. All are ready. Okay, tell me along with me with closed eyes. Oh goddess, we can't. We can't live on this earth. We need your help. You are only. Tell me you are one and only to save us. Please tell me all the people, all the subjects. Tell me along. Please appear.
God, please appear.
Yeah. See, look at the goddess is appearing there. Look upside. Open your eyes. Goddess.
Oh, my little children. Why are you so sad? What happened to you all? What is your problem? Why are you so worried? I am here for you. Tell me your problems. Oh, my king of the forest. First, you tell me.
Oh, my dear goddess, thank you for appearing. This is my empire. All the subjects in my empire facing so many difficulties from humans. Oh, my dear goddess, we are facing so many difficulties from human beings. You told us that live with peace and harmony. But what happened? Humans with their selfishness, they started cutting all the forests and occupied all our dwellings and started killing us. It is goes like this. The human only stayed on the planet. We will all disappearing from this beautiful earth with the selfishness of humans, with his greediness of we were being eliminating from the earth. So we are praying with joint hands. Goddess, please save us. Tell all the people, please save us, Goddess.
Save us.
Save us, God.
God, please save us.
Children, this nature is most beautiful and natural environment to live healthy, and unfortunately the mankind has been very ungrateful. Human being has been destroying the nature. Human is destroyed his own home. He crossed the limits. Now it's time to teach him a lesson. So I am going to create a virus. Yes, that is Corona. Here it is. Yes, I am going to create this virus. Corona, go and set the station.
Thank you, my goddess.
I'm Corona! I'm Corona pandemic! How beautiful I am!
It's my name is COVID-19. Ooh, I have lot of knowledge. People death only I encourage. There is no vaccine for my death. I stop everyone with. I like lungs of people. I like lungs of people. It is my house. I live in lungs. I enter into my lungs. It's my room. I enter into my room with eyes, mouth, nose. I spread the whole world. I take thousands of deaths every day. From now on, every will be get fever, cold, cough, difficulty in breathing. Just a little time. In just a little time, I will prove the terrible of Corona pandemic. People should be afraid. People should be afraid when they hear my name, Corona pandemic. Everything will be stopped. Yes. Everything will be stopped after my entry. Whoever respect me, I leave them. The way of honoring me, they wear mask. No risk. Wash hands regularly. Save lives. Maintain social distancing, physical distancing. Reduce your death distancing. Enhance immunity. Reduce corona mortality. Live home. Give life to others. Be courage. Don't encourage me. Don't encourage me because I am corona pandemic. Everyone is equals to me. I have no kindness on this earth, especially on this earth. Husband listen to their voice, but I don't listen anyone because I didn't marry. Thank you, my mother. Thank you, my mother, who created me. Send me to the people immediately. I will send them to Jamapuri. Thank you, my goddess. Thank you very much.
Go, Corona, go. Set the situation. And you, my little children, this is warning for you also. If you behave like humans, you will be punished. And now everybody should live with Corona. All of you be careful. Corona is going to live with you. If you are clean and stay home, you will be safe. Otherwise, you will be punished. Be careful. Don't destroy the nature. Live and let live.
Thank you.
If you save the nature, your future will be good.
Thank you, my dear goddess. After Corona, our empire is very beautiful.